Hey guys, I want to show you how you can put into neutral a 2018 Dodge Ram 1500 in case it won't start with the key. When you open the door on the bottom right here, you see that cover. Take a flat screwdriver and pull this cover out. Yep, it's easy. When you pull out, there is a strap right over there, and you see that pin. Make sure you move that pin to release uh, this strap. When you pull this strap, the car is in neutral right now. Make sure when you've done the job, put it back. Thank you so much for watching.